Hey, bonjour beautiful people. Today I'm going out fishing with Mr. Robbie in this beautiful creek. Robbie is just over there. Let's see if we can catch some fish.
On the water up there.
Where?
Up there, in that next pool.
No.
There's a big carp on the water just here too, and I think. Soon it'll be too cold to get our feet wet.
I'm not looking forward for that. Oh yeah, he just look.
Ooh, something followed your lure in.
No, I guess it was a carp.
You never know. You never know. It could have been a cod.
Got him! Yeah, today I start on the mud-eye lures, 80 mil, orange and gray scale. Yeah, and today I have my light rod, Abu Garcia Veritas. This is a very nice rod. It's a little bit light. It's a medium light action, but it's a very good rod. Very good rod. Oh, got him! Oh, with my light rod. Oh, you beauty! You beauty! He was just sitting under this tree. Oh, he's beautiful.
That's a lovely fish.
Yeah. Ooh, stay with us. Stay with us. He's beautiful. Not as beautiful as you, Robbie, but he's look good.
He's close.
Very close. All right.
You want to come and grab it?
Yeah.
Sunny demand.
This is what we needed on this rainy day.
Yeah. Tell you one thing I did bring is a good camera, so I'll be able to get a really good photo of it.
Oh, good. I'm gonna leave. On the mud-eye 80 mil orange and gray scale. Let's have a quick measure. What do you reckon, Robbie? 58?
Yeah.
Oh, I think 62 maybe.
Ooh.
Yeah, so nice and wet. Come here. Ooh. Yeah, he is 60, 62, 61, 62.
Wow, go you, superstar.
62 centimeters. All right, let's put him back.
Are you right there if I wander up and fish?
Yeah, go for your life, mate. There you go. Let's have a quick last look. Look at this beauty. He is beautiful. All right, thanks for coming. See you later. Wow, how cool is that?
That sounded good.
Yeah. This is what I like with cod fishing. There's like, where I caught the cod before, there's only like 30-40 centimeters of water, but they were a fish. So with cod, you never know. Yeah, our confidence was very low when we started fishing before, because it's a rainy day, the water is a little bit muddy. It's a time of the year who is very hit and miss with cod, but it's always good to catch a fish to have more confidence and more hope again. Just a fish, a big one or a small one, doesn't matter. Can I teach Robbie some French word? Hey Robbie, can you say je t'aime?
What is that?
Can you say je t'aime?
Je t'aime.
Yeah, it's mean I love you. Can you repeat it?
Je t'aime.
Oh, beautiful. Can you repeat it?
Bonjour.
Oh, he say bonjour.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
And paternoster.
Pa
You use that word in one of your latest videos.
Paternosterig or something like it. It's beautiful how the waters come here. It's running there and going down under this tree. It's amazing. I give you $10 if you can cast it right in the hole over there. $10 and a big hug.
Alright, just watch yourself there.
Let's go.
Give it a fair crack. I don't think it's worth a hug, but it's definitely worth the $10.
Yeah. Oh, Robbie's on. Oh no.
It's not very big, but
Well, it's a fish.
take a photo of me if that's okay.
No, it's not okay.
Okay.
Mr. Robbie Alexander is on. He's not huge, but it's good.
Yeah, he's a nice fish. I'm happy with that. He's not as big as yours, but any fish is a good fish. Come on, mate. Come on, mate.
Settle down. He's nice.
Yeah. Righto, Murray Cod. See you later, mate. Now, that was a bit of an anticlimax. I expected him to go berserk. He's gone.
Nice.
And I'm on.
Yeah, so good. Me and Robbie, we're on the board now. The most exciting thing with cod fishing, you never know when they're gonna strike.
Exactly.
And you're never ready for it.
If you caught them all the time, that wouldn't be as exciting, would it?
Yeah. Look at the fox. It's gone. All right, time for a lure change for topwater fish. So I check out Baramba Baby BG1. Let's see how it goes. All right, first cast with the Baramba BG1, Baby BG1. Let's go. Catch me a fish. Had a buff? Beautiful. Robbie had a buff. Oh! Yeah. Got him! Ah, oh, far out!
I heard that from here.
Ah, oh, far out!
On the surface and lost it.
Ah. Seems like it's a good fish too.
Yeah, it sounded good for me.
Ah. I don't think he will come back. It didn't feel very some weight, but I don't think he will come back. Oh, yeah, he will. He's hungry. I might put the diving lures. Maybe I can get him. I'm gonna have 1 or 2 casts. See if he come back. If not, I put the diving lures.
I'm just going to start making my way down to that next bush, honey. I'll meet you down there.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I will try to chuck diving lures back with the Murray orange and grey. Oh shit, let's see if I can catch him underwater. Oh, far out. Yes, got him! Woo! It's pay off. Sometimes when you got some boof and he don't come back, just chuck a diving lures. It's a little Maza. You beauty! On the Mud-Eye Lures 80 mil orange and gray scale. It's doing the job today. It's doing the job today. Look at this beauty. Let's have a closer look. Look at this beautiful fish. He is like 345, I reckon. All right. You beauty, mate. Oh, calm down. All right. What's going on here? It's dangerous. Oh, it's just been. He's beautiful though. Alright, so let's have a quick look. And a quick release. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Let's put him back. Thanks for coming, my friend. You're a beauty. Stay healthy. See you later. He's gone. How good is that? You. All right, let's truck the Baramba BG Wong back. Yeah, guys, this is a tip for the beginners. When a cod boofed your surface lures and if he didn't come back, just truck a diving lures, a spinner bait or something, he might hit it. Ooh. Beautiful. Let's go, Robbie. Take it. You beauty. Good job, brother. Good job.
Water for what?
This is why we camp for. You want a picture? Look at this, it's gonna be funny. Oh! It worked. Yeah. Hey guys, it's time to go home. It's dark. Yeah, we got some boof on the top water, but nothing serious. So yeah, we had an awesome day with Robbie, and it's the most important. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Au revoir, goodbye.